Welcome to AMS Talks. I'm your special guest host, Nadia Abboud, and today I'm excited to sit down with Sean Burke, who's recently stepped in as the Director of Business Development at AMS. Sean, thank you for joining me today.
Well, thank you very much for inviting me.
Given your illustrious career with Veolia and GE, I'm curious, what attracted you to AMS?
Well, that started when I met Rick Bacon about 11 or 12 years ago at a water treatment show. I immediately recognized him as a very dynamic individual. What he would share about the company and the applications, it impressed me. So over the years, Rick and I kept up with each other, and every time we spoke, he would tell me more about the company and about the product lines, which continue to impress me. So I watched this evolution of a strong product line that tapped into many different market sectors. And this went on for years and years. And finally, I said, you know what? I'm going to call Rick and see if I can be part of the AMS team. And luckily for me, he agreed. So I've been very impressed with how AMS performs like a much bigger company than they actually are. The number of products and applications they've developed over the last few years is amazing. Uh, Rick has also assembled an extremely talented and highly motivated team. And I really do embrace the can-do attitude that this team has.
Is that what excited you most about this role, this can-do attitude?
Well, the one thing I find really exciting is the opportunity to connect the company with new markets. I have over 30 years experience working in the ultrapure and wastewater markets, and I plan to leverage my experience and the industry context that I have to better position AMS in the best possible way for success.
Now, AMS has a very diverse portfolio of analytical and treatment solutions to address trace metals, inorganic, organic contaminants. Where do you see some of the biggest opportunities for growth for the product line and applications?
Well, we all know that there's an increasingly global focus on clean water management and potable water reuse. So the water treatment industry is looking for more carbon neutral and environmentally friendly treatment options. Right now, AMS is positioned to meet those needs with the SafeGuard H2O. This is a unit that's capable of generating a higher quality reagent on site and on demand. That would be ferrous, ferric, and stannous reagents. This replaces the use of traditional bulk ferric chloride, which can be very toxic and hazardous and contains many trace organics or contaminants that require further treatment to remove. So essentially, the Safeguard H2O solves or meets the critical need, which are reducing your chemical costs, minimizing supply chain disruptions, reducing your logistical costs, and then providing them with a fully automated and remotely controlled treatment option.
Thank you for that, Sean. I mean, I know over recent years, we've seen a lot of development with the SafeGuard H2O technology being demonstrated in more traditional drinking water applications. I'm assuming that we're going to be seeing some demonstrations coming forward in these industrial applications. And I, for one, am going to be looking forward to sitting down with you or the facilities that are going to be implementing this exciting technology. So thank you for joining me today, Sean.
Well, thank you very much for having me.